Today we are talking about the history of Greater Anglia trains.
I hope you enjoy this video. First up are the Class 153. These were built between 1991 to 1992, and these were diesel trains.
These ran on the Wherry lines and the Ipswich to Cambridge line.
Next up is the Class 156. These were built between 1987 to 1988, and these ran on the Breckland line and the Bitton line, to name a few. Next up is the Class 170. These classes were built between 2002 and 1999, and they ran on the Gainsborough line.
This class was also in a very famous train video. We are gonna skip ahead to the Class 321.
These classes were built between 1988 to 1991, and they ran on the Braintree branch line and Mayflower line, to name a few.
And this train had a special end of its use.
Next up is the Class 379. These were built between 2010 and 2011, and they ran on the Fen line as the Stansted Express. Next up is the Class 755. These were built between 2018 to 2020, and they run on the East Suffolk line and West Anglia main line, to name a few.
And at last is the Class 720.
These were built between 2018 to 2021, and they run on the Fen line and the Crouch Valley line, to name a few.
I hope you all enjoyed this video about the history of Greater Anglia's trains. There will soon be more documentaries coming soon.